Okay, guys. I thought you were going to say something. Anyway, basically, the last video, the voice was terrible because the volume was too high. And we just realized after uploading. However, we shall play better. And I can also adjust the size of the camera.
Yeah, see?
But I can't make it this big because then I can't play. So I'll just make it a bit like this. That should be sufficient. Hopefully I'll still be able to play it and it won't interfere.
Yeah, but I can't join.
You can't join? What's happening with your one? Maybe restart?
I don't.
Let me pause this. Does it have a pause option?
Mm,
Pause. It's working? Okay. Now it's working.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Look,
play then.
I'm in the game.
Woohoo! See, Ads is that big dude. Bastion.
I'm Rare.
I am this guy. What was my
Alright.
name? Raven.
Raven. I'm Rare.
Okay. Oh, I can't train him yet.
Yeah.
Anyway, how do I go back from there?
Oh, alright. That's
Alright, ready. Let's do this, dude. Let's do this. Alright. I'm excited. Alright.
Wait, where do we start?
Anywhere.
Alright, we'll start here.
I'll try recording you while we play.
Yeah, alright. Is this a good team?
Looks alright.
It's
Oh,
Stalker.
I didn't get that ammo.
It's the Stalker, you, Raven, and me.
Did we just kill them?
Ah,
What is happening?
we got,
What is that? I'm serious, like, I'm so lost.
no, we got,
Yeah, but I need ammo.
yeah, you can get ammo. Sure.
Here.
If I just get
There's a guy there, there's a guy there. Well done. Well done,
Yeah,
Eds.
because I'm rare.
You're rare.
Yeah, I'm rare.
You're a rare specimen. Ah, there's a person there. Whoa, he blew me up.
He's just the one guy.
Oh, he's got a grenade. Did you see that? Wow.
He's just one guy
Yeah.
that has low ammo.
Yeah, but he's got a grenade. We don't have that skill.
What's that?
My skill is just to reveal people.
Yeah.
Hey, look, our friend's still playing though. Ooh, he died too. And that makes us what? Third place!
Do I look scary?
Kind of.
Alright.
Question is, do I look scary?
You don't look scary.
Ready?
Let's
Let's go. I'll try making this massive. I'm gonna try playing with a massive camera like that.
Not gonna work.
I'll try. Here you go. Even like in the middle?
No.
I'll try playing
No.
with your camera right in the middle. Okay? Does it get larger? No, it doesn't.
No.
Come on.
Okay.
Alright, this is gonna be interesting. I have no idea where the ammo is.
Yeah, I do. I know.
Alright, let's see. I'm just... Oh, there they are, I guess.
I'm just following the X. Maybe
Okay,
that's...
this is annoying. I'm gonna play properly. There's a guy there!
I'm just running away. I'm getting ammo and all this stuff. If anyone comes here,
Oh.
I'm gonna be really mad. It's my secret base. No one's allowed to come in my secret base.
No one's protecting me! Aww.
Yeah, because this is my secret base.
Drogon killed me.
This is my secret base. I think I can do it without anyone. Because it's my secret base, you know?
Secret
So
base.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Yeah, but you're walking too fast.
Okay, well then I'm gonna hang out.
Is that? Can you even see that? Can't even see that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, no one's gonna come.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pause it because he's dying.
Yeah,
How do you
alright.
pause it? Alright, let's do this. Let's play. Let's play seriously. Come on, Adam. We're gonna play seriously.
I'm trying to look like Pennywise.
Pennywise. I don't even know how he looks.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a person there. And... double! I can't get him. There's no way I can get that person. No! We got smashed.
I said retreat.
Okay.
Come back.
Fifth is good. -4 trophies.
Not too much.
Seriously. I am ready.
Not now. I want to end the video now.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
I want to show you something.
What?
Remember my big fluffy thing?
Oh yeah, quick run. I'm pausing it. Alright. Why'd you put on my face for? This is Adam's new plush, squishy plush toy.
Yeah, it's squishy.
And he loves it.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's ripped.
The tail's ripped a little bit. It's okay.
But if it rips off, then we can just cut it and then it will be flat.
Yes, it will. Okay. Say goodbye, ads and plush toy.